want to remove your starter, you remove your exhaust pipe here, loosen that clamp, loosen these two bolts underneath. See these two bolts underneath there? That takes off the exhaust completely. Then you come back up here and you loosen the Allen key studs, top and in there. Not the hexagon standard bolts, that's a plate on the front of it. Then you come round to the back here and you remove these two Allen keys here, and that takes off that. Then you can snip this little cable tie on the top, and that should give you enough room to take away your starter without removing any wires and just clean the back of it. Here's the starter we cooked before. So you just clean in here, round about in there, in the starter. It'll be all caked up there. And put WD-40, or not a grease, but a WD-40 type of oil on it, because if it grease, it sticks.